Well, the 65 is coming to its rightful home. We're going to load it on a trailer. We're going to take it to my house so we can work on it daily. We're going to look to get this thing running. Hopefully we're going to get it running here in the next few months, and it's going to be the only way we're going to get it. So let's load it on a trailer, boys. So it's kind of hard to see, but we got it on the trailer. This thing was a heck of a time. It cost me one come along. I had to fix it. Daggone thing. This thing is heavy as crap. Took us forever to get it. Casey was struggling to death to try to turn the steering wheel on it. Had to crawl out the window there. And so we got it up on here and we're looking, and some places are worse than we thought and some places are better than we thought. Like, see, some places are rusted through the bed there, but we know what we're working with now. We kind of see it a little better since it's off the ground, but we was looking under here to this flywheel. Still got a rat nest in it. Behind it, got a rat nest. Got some seepage of some sort. But we're gonna get it home and try to pull the engine, but we know we're working a little bit more now. This thing is this Chevy that's hauling it, this thing is squatted to the ground almost. But eventually, me and Casey are gonna be riding down the Guess road in style, ain't it right, Casey?
That's right.
We're gonna get it home and we're gonna see where we go from there. You ready?
Yep. It's around. Time to go get another dip.
I'm gonna get me a smoke, son. We'll see you in the morning. Well, as you can see, I got the truck off the trailer. All I did was hook a come along to a power pole and just pulled it right off and then just drove it off the truck. But this is where we're sitting right now. Gonna do a little work to it. So stay tuned for extra videos. It's gonna need a lot of work, but we're gonna be able to get it done. And know you're going to follow the journey in our future videos, so stick with us.